Okay, bro. This is the Lenovo L40 laptop. So we removed the display cable, which is I faced one problem. Because of the problem, I was replaced and checked the display cable is the problem or a display is the problem. I was found that display is the problem. This is just 700 rupees. I bought and I checked it is not working, so I keep it aside. Now what I found one more problem that is this plastic is there. No, these plastics are getting older, so it is removing some. While removing, I got noticed that in the thread, screw threads are weaker. Okay, so in some places also crack is happened like this. So that's why I removed this display aside. I just opened this laptop for to show what I am planning to do to make my laptop into new laptop, custom laptop like that. I'm going to print a 3D print, custom 3D print laptop frame. So just I'm witnessing what are the components, what are the screw assembles here like that. Here I found that some screws are bronze. The thread is made up of bronze. Okay, and the location also is there. What I'm doing, first step, I will go through this. I will design this whole in CAD designing, 3D design. After that, I will give to 3D printer shop. They will print and they will give like this like this material. After that, I will install some screw places from online. I will purchase. Then I will prepare to make my laptop very stronger. So that reason, this steel panel I was noticed, because this steel panel is connecting with the hinge. Hinge also broken, bro. That's why I'm planning to buy this hinge online. So I was put the online order. It is coming on the way. I will show you one thing.
But no.
Okay. So I flipped the laptop. It's a Lenovo one. You can see it's look good. Almost I keep for 4 years. I'm using this. It was very powerful and it's good.
But why you means just backside you create a new? This is also good, na?
This is also good, but in some such a places, bro, like hinge is the important, no.
But
While opening,
not working, na?
hinges, the screw is broken.
Okay.
We can't do with anything.
Okay.
So that's why I'm planning to print. One more reason is that. One more reason what it means, the hinge is here now. This we can convert into 3D 360 degree also. If we made in custom, we can convert into 360 degree laptop like that. Like
Yes.
that.
Okay.
We can use as a PC. Like that I am
You
planning.
also remove.
Not remove, it will be here. We can flip that side.
That's it.
So that's a reason. So you can see here what I notice. Here also some broke is there, no? This is okay. While removing it's broken, bro. This case also I need. So all the I was noticed that this plastic is decay, already gone. If again I need to invest to buy display everything, no, that also will broke. Everything is broke, no, then it will be cost high. Again it will be facing a problem. That's why I'm planning to build new custom frame for this. I was checking the online, but that is too costly. More than 6,000, 5,000 they're showing for this panel. That is also not we're not sure about the quality, correct? So that's why I'm planning to print this whole laptop. We'll see upcoming videos. I will show you all the procedures.